Hello mga kachisflix! Mainit-init pa na issue ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon.
Nakasaad dito ay too sacred to put on full display. Kapuso Star. Tom Rodriguez posted photos of his family, featuring his partner and their son Corbin. Some treasures in life are too sacred to put on full display. This isn't about hiding, it's about holding, he wrote on Thursday. This family of mine is my sanctuary, my peace. And in a world that often demands a performance, they are where I'm most real, he added. Matatandaan nung year 2022, lumabas na hiwalay at divorced na nga si Tom Rodriguez at Carla Abellana. Madaming nagkomento na di daw maipagmalaki at maipakita ni Tom ang bago niyang kinakasama dahil sa mga nagawa niyang pagkakamali kay Carla. Ano sa tingin niyo mga kachisflix? Komento mo sa baba ang iyong opinyon.
Subscribe para sa mga susunod na ulat at chismis. Chisflix sana!